everyone! Welcome to the retail unboxing of the Evochef Easy Flip, the world's first smart dosa maker. The Easy Flip makes rectangular dosas that are custom made just for you. Now, your mornings have gotten better with your favorite breakfast with less effort, heat and mess. Now, let's open the box. The side with the red flap is the right side up. Carefully open the box. As you can see, the machine is packed with protection on all sides to keep it safe during transit. Unboxing. When you open the box, you first see a checklist of all the items that will come with your Easy Flip. In your box, you will get a manual, a warranty card, a spatula, soft scrubber to clean the roller, oil container, collecting tray, Easy Flip dosa maker, detachable batter tank, and a lid to close the tank, detachable batter separators, a detachable blade. The batter tank and separators, the collecting tray and the blade are detachable. You can remove them from the appliance for cleaning. Once cleaned, you can attach them back to the dosa maker. This is the dosa maker. It comes in 4 different colors. We have the blue one. This center button is the power button. When there is a steady power supply to the machine, the light will glow blue. This is the control panel. The control panel helps you choose the dosa cooking time, quantity and thickness. The first panel from the left controls the cooking time. It is touch control. You can select your cooking time anywhere between 60 to 110 seconds. The center section helps you choose the number of dosas you want. You can use the rotator to choose between 1 and 5 dosas and press it once to record your selection. The thickness is touch control and you can choose from 3 options: thick, medium and crispy. The roller is food grade, non-stick and PFOA free. Don't touch the machine when switched on as it will be hot. On one side of the dosa maker, you will find the detachable batter tank with its lid. It has a silicone edge for easy flow and spread onto the roller. The batter tank can hold up to 700 ml of batter and can make 8 to 12 dosas. With the tank, you will also get 2 batter separators that you can use if you want to make 2 or 3 flavored dosas. To fix the separator, insert it along the guide in the batter tank. Once it is completely in, you must fix the batter tank lid. It keeps the separators in place and stops them from falling off when in use. On the other side, you will find the collecting tray that will receive the cooked dosas when they come off the roller. You will also find the blade that must be inserted into the machine before you switch it on. The blades are detachable as well. So, are you ready to have some dosas? Setting up the machine. Let's set up the machine first. Clean everything with a dry and soft cloth before using it to ensure that everything is clean and dust-free. Place the dosa maker on a flat and even surface. Bad ventilation would affect the cooking process. Plug it into a socket with a minimum of 10 amps. The machine's capacity is 1600 watts. Ensure the machine is at a convenient height for operation. Do not place it on the ground. Remove the collecting tray from the supporting rod and place it flat on the ground on the opposite side of the batter tank. There is no lock on the tray. Before you start your machine, ensure that the blades are fixed properly. You would hear a click like this. That's when you know they are in place. If not fixed well, the device would not work. The batter tank is easily removable and should be locked in before you start the machine. To lock it in, insert it through the tank levers, and once it's in place, turn the rubber ends of the levers downwards. Turning on the machine. Now, let's turn on the machine. Before turning on your dosa maker, make sure that the plug point is turned on. Once the plug point is turned on, the power button will glow blue, indicating that there is a steady power supply to the machine. To switch on the machine, press and hold the power button for 1 second till you hear a beep and the control panel glows blue. Once the machine is switched on, the roller will begin heating up. Don't touch the roller after this because it will become very hot. The roller will take approximately 3 minutes to get ready for cooking. During this time, fill the dosa batter into the batter tank. Up to the maximum mark of 700 ml. Customizing the dosa. It's time to customize your dosas. Choose the cooking time, the number of dosas you want, and their thickness. You cannot change the thickness in between prints. To choose the cooking time, you have options between 60 seconds to 110 seconds with the touch control. With each touch, you can increase the cooking time by 10 seconds. You will know that there is an increase in time with a beep. Once you reach 110 seconds, it will reset to 60 seconds. Here, we have kept the cooking time at 90 seconds. Moving to the dosa thickness, which is also touch controlled, you have 3 options: thick, medium, and crispy. Choose the thickness you want. We have now chosen medium thickness. To choose the number of dosas, use the quantity selector. Once you reach the desired number, press the rotator once. You will hear a beep. The maximum dosas Easy Flip can make is 5 dosas in one go. If you want to make more than 5, all you have to do is press start once again after the first 5 are done. You can also change the quantity during printing by turning the knob and pressing it once you decide on the quantity. Now, your machine is ready to dish out your favorite dosas. The Easy Flip is ready. You will hear a beep once the roller is heated and ready. The roller then starts rolling automatically and the dosa starts printing. You can apply oil, ghee, or butter using the oil container if required. While applying oil, make sure that it does not touch the batter tank as the batter spread may get affected. Also, avoid adding oil directly onto the roller since the batter will not spread properly. The dosa will cook for the time you have chosen. Once it is cooked, the roller will automatically eject the dosa onto the collecting tray and start printing the next dosa. Your hot dosa is now ready. It is best eaten hot with chutney or dal chili powder. You can also add finely chopped different toppings to the batter like dal chili powder, cheese, mayonnaise, and even chocolate. Dosa printing hacks. How to use the tank separator. If you want to use more than one type of batter for your dosa, you can use the separators provided with the machine. Just guide the separators in like this. Close the tank with the lid provided to hold the separators in place, and your flavored and colorful dosas are ready to print. Ensure easy dosa flow. When the machine has been running for a while, dried up dosa batter could get collected near the silicone edge of the batter tank. Use the spatula and remove them to ensure an easy and smooth flow of batter onto the roller. Prevent your dosa from burning. If you think your dosa is ready before the set time, you can manually eject your dosa by pressing the rotator once. You can do this to avoid burnt dosas. You will know when the dosa is cooked when it starts separating itself from the roller like this. You will also see the first light in the thickness setting blinking. This means that you can manually eject your dosa. If the dosa is not cooked, add extra 10 seconds by selecting cooking time while the second thickness light is still blinking. This can be done up to 5 times. Automatic safety cutoff function. If the dosa maker is idle for more than 3 minutes, it will automatically go into sleep mode till you press the center button to switch it on. You will have to start from the first by adjusting your dosa cooking time, the number of dosas, and thickness. Batter consistency. While you can choose your dosa thickness, the batter consistency also plays an important role here. If the batter is too thick, it will be difficult for it to spread on the roller. Similarly, watery batter will give you too thin dosas. Cleaning your dosa maker. Once you have finished making dosas, it is time to clean your machine. Unplug the machine and wait for 15 minutes to half an hour for the roller to completely cool before beginning the cleaning process. Once the batter is emptied, you can remove the batter tank and wash it with a soft scrubber and mild detergent. It is dishwasher safe as well. If you use the tank separators, you can wash them with the batter tank. Use a soft scrubber and mild detergent to clean the collecting tray. Since the roller is non-stick, all you need to do is use the scrubber given along with the machine to dust it and remove the dosa crumbs if necessary. Make sure all the accessories are dry and clean before you attach them to the dosa maker again. Use a dry soft cloth or tissue to wipe the underside of the dosa maker and remove residual oil. You can also remove the blade and clean it with a dry soft cloth or tissue. Troubleshooting. When the Q1 light blinks. If you see the Q1 in the dosa quantity section blinking, it means that there is a power issue, mainly low voltage. The machine will not start till there is a proper power supply. When the Q2 light blinks. If you see the Q2 light blinking, it means that the blade is not properly inserted. Ensure that you hear a click when you're fixing the blade back in. Once it is properly fixed, reset the dosa maker with a single press of the center power button. In case of a power cut, if there is a power cut when the dosa is cooking, the tank will automatically go back to its original position. The dosa maker will eject the dosa once the power comes back and will wait for the next command. Do you see blinking lights? When you're making your dosas, you may see the thickness setting lights blinking. When the first light from the left blinks, it means that the dosa is ready and you can manually eject the dosa before the time you set in your machine. When the middle light blinks, it means that your dosa is almost ready and it will be ejected in 10 seconds. If the dosa is not cooked, add extra 10 seconds by selecting cooking time up to 5 times. When the third light from the left blinks, it means the roller is overheated. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes till the roller cools, recalibrates its temperature, and starts printing dosas again. When will your dosa not be printed properly? Your dosa will not be printed well if there is not enough batter in the tank, if the roller is overheated, if the batter is too thick, if the batter is dried up near the silicone edge of the batter tank, if the roller is oily. Now, you know everything about the newest addition to your family. It's time to dosa. Evochef. Eat, evolve, enjoy.